important things to know if you're going to sell into the healthcare market for the first time. One, we are the most highly regulated business in the United States, so you must familiarize yourself with regulation in our industry. Specifically, the regulations around security are very, very tight and are going to be greater than any industry that you've dealt with. So anything that you can understand about that and do to enhance a user's ability to get into that system more easily while still keeping to the letter of the law around security will be appreciated. So understand the regulation that we must deal with every day. Secondly, understand the importance of prevention of hospital-acquired infections and designing equipment that can be sterilized and cleaned after every patient. This is not like equipment that can be used in a regular office. It must be sturdier, and it must be able to withstand cleaning with strong chemicals. So that must be part of your design. And thirdly, you need to understand hospital business. If you can find someone with clinical background, physicians, nurses, physical therapists, hospital administrators who have taken an interest in IT or informatics and hire them into your business, you will sell more products. Perhaps this should be number 4 on the list of important things to know about hospitals. But if you are doing a project with hospitals, you will not just be working with the IT department, because big projects such as electronic medical records in hospitals affect patient care. While IT will always be involved, clinical leaders will always be involved as well. Electronic medical records and IT projects in hospital always affect patient care and therefore can always mean life or death to patients. And so you need to know that you will not only be involved with IT, but you'll be involved with clinical leaders. So on long-term projects, you need to always be prepared to ask your IT people who the clinical leads are. You need to always be prepared to put skin in the game. If you're prepared to do that, that will enhance your chances of getting the deal. One of our important findings was after the go-live, many of the most popular hardware items during the fair weren't as popular during the go-live. And that was because we didn't know what we didn't know, and things didn't function in the live environment the way we thought they would. One of the important things our vendor can do for us, and that we need you to do for us, is to bring your knowledge of how the hardware functions in the live environment. We need your experience of how these devices have worked in other hospital settings, in other clinic settings. We need you to be honest with us about how important the various bells and whistles really are, which ones have practical applications in a busy setting where physicians and nurses are seeing patients. This will help your various clients make wise decisions and wise expenditures of their capital. This is an invaluable service that you bring. Important to know, hospitals are looking for partners. This is long term. This is our life. We are not interested in people who are coming in and want to sell us a product and walk out the door and we never hear from you again. We are looking for people who want to work for us and with us for a long time. If you'll be our partner, we'll be doing business with you for a long, long time. If you want to walk in the door and sell us your goods and walk away, then we're not really interested in having you around. But if you're interested in coming and helping us find solutions, and then if something doesn't work like we thought it would, like we all thought it would, then you put your heads together with us and find a solution to make it better, then we want to work with you.